In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate approval workflows in Pandadoc. This process is essential for streamlining document approvals and ensuring consistency across your team's workflows. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up an approval system that saves time and reduces errors. First, let's head over to your Pandadoc account. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and log in to get to the dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of the screen and locate the Templates section. Click on it. This is where you'll either create a new template or update an existing one to include your approval workflow. Now that you're in the Templates area, you should see a button that allows you to add a new template. Click on the plus sign or Create Template button to begin. You have the flexibility here to either start from scratch or choose an existing template that you'd like to automate. If you're creating a new template, fill in the necessary details like the template's name and content. If you're working with an existing one, just select the template you want to modify. Now, focus your attention on the right side of the screen. There's an option to Manage Roles. This is where you can add, edit, or manage user roles associated with your document approval process. If needed, add new roles to ensure every necessary participant is included in the workflow. It's crucial to define who will take on each role to avoid any confusion during the approval process. Once you've set up the roles, the next step is to enable the Approval Required option. This setting will trigger the approval workflow, ensuring that the document cannot proceed to the next stage without the necessary reviews and sign-offs. When you click on Approval Required, Pandadoc will prompt you to set up your approval workflow. Here, you'll specify who needs to approve the document. It's a good idea to notify approvers about their role in the workflow, so there's no delay when it's their turn to review the document. At this point, your automated approval workflow is set up and ready to go. Whenever a document is created from this template, it will automatically follow the rules and roles you've established. This means that every time someone uses this template, the document must go through your predefined approval process before it can be finalized or shared further. Taking the time to automate approval workflows ensures that every document follows the same path and receives the necessary oversight, making your team's documentation process not only faster, but more reliable. The effort you put in now will pay off in efficiencies down the line. Thanks for following along, and happy automating.